Good afternoon. How's everybody in YouTube doing today? Today is February the 28th. Actually, this makes it the last day of the month. We're back here at the Go Gym on downtown in Austin. The one I usually go to, the swimming pool is offline, or the swimming pool is not available. Although I'm probably not going to use the swimming pool, I'm just going to stay in the jacuzzi for a little while. Then I'm running short of time anyway, since I got to be at work in another 45 more minutes. So I'm just making a quick video. Last time we tried the Insta360 One X2 with the Insta360 One R with the 1-inch Leica lens, and that's been shown on the previous video. Now we're coming up with the Insta360 One X2 and the GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens on it. Now this is the GoPro Hero 9 max lens, and I have it set, which is going to be set at exactly with the vlog mode of the One X2 at 1080p, 30 frames per second. Now I have this one in wide, and I believe the other one on the One X2 is going to be on wide also. So as of right now, we are on the GoPro Hero 9 with the max lens. Now I'm gonna face this one because the sun's pretty much facing me. I'm not sure if there's a change in color if I move the camera this way and block myself against the sun. See, now I look darker there. So I'm gonna bring myself over here against the sun. What little sun is left anyways. I'm reconfirming that the lid, the door that holds the battery, is secure, because I want to put this thing underwater right now, and I don't want it to ruin on me. Even though I got the GoPro Plus, still I don't want to be investing money because of water damage. So based on this video, I have secured the door. The door is secure. I pressed the button and make sure that the door is completely secure. Now I'm going to go underwater, and I'll see you guys underwater. So it's fine. It seems to be working. I didn't have problems with the door, and I'm saying because on a previous camera, the GoPro Hero 8, when I purchased it, I never actually put it in water until 8 months later, and 5 minutes into it being underwater, the water went into the camera. The door was defective. GoPro had said that it was my fault, and it would later determine that the seals were defective on it. So they had sold me a defective camera since 8 months ago, but I just never bothered putting it to water until that time. And they went ahead and gave me a brand new Hero 8 again, at no cost. Even though I had the GoPro Plus, they went ahead and not charged me and gave me a brand new camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out. First of all, I'm gonna set this on a stand. And I'm gonna take out the One X2. The One X2 has been very popular for the mere fact that it became a rugged device. It became waterproof. It's got the same specifications as a 1X1 with just certain enhancements, you know, it being waterproof and very rugged. And just like I had done with the Insta360 One R, nobody actually had seen a camera, a 1X2, actually go underwater. People on the internet, they come out with their videos and they say, you know, this does this, it does that, but they would say, okay, I'm shooting from a 1X2, and they would go underwater and blah blah blah, and you can't prove it. They would never prove it. They could never prove that it was a 1X2. They didn't actually want to put another camera against the 1X2 and see it go underwater. This is my take of the 1X2. I'm gonna turn it on here real quick. I'm gonna make sure that it's on. Okay, see, right now it's on 1080, on 360, and I don't want it on 360. I want it on vlog mode, and it had it under the camera, and I don't need the camera part, but I want it under the video. I have it set up in standard, and now I have it at 1080p, 30 frames per second, same as the Hero 9. So you should be able to see that, although it's on right here, it's put the camera facing down towards the water. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on record mode, and under record mode we can now see each other. The camera is taking the GoPro Hero 9, and the Hero 9 is taking the 1X2. So we're gonna go underwater with it. As you can see, you can see that I wanted to double make sure that the door is locked. Yes, it is. The battery door was locked. If not, it would have been any good anymore. But it's working fine. It is fully submergible underwater. It comes out working perfect. So this is my take of the Insta360 One R. Now we could do it the other way around also. I can put it right here, and we can bring the GoPro Hero 9. And under record mode, we can now see each other. The camera is taking the GoPro Hero 9, and the Hero 9 is taking the X2. I'm going underwater with it. You can see. It. I wanted to double make sure that the door is locked. Yes, it is. The battery door was locked. If not, it would have been any good anymore. But it's working fine. It is fully submergible underwater. this is my take of the Insta360 One horse. Now we could do it the other way around also. I can put it right here, and we can bring the GoPro Hero 9 and put the GoPro Hero 9 underwater, and pretty much, or put both underwater. As a side note, we're pretty much finished proving the 1X2 can go underwater successfully and not damage it. You can press it to the 1X1, you can't do that. But I'm going to remove this camera. Remember I told you about the snap mount? I have the snap mount mounted to the GoPro stand, to the tripod, pretty much. So you can see that it's not it's a lot simpler to mount a camera now. The way I have it set up on mine is that I have one for the DJI Osmo Action, one for the Hero 9, for the Hero 8, for the Hero 7 and the 5, and I got one for the actually I don't have one for the 1X2. For some reason or another, the 1X2, I have mounted it before, it just doesn't look the same, and the snap mount does come out in the invisible stick. So I prefer to just use it a different way on the as a matter of fact, the GoPro Max will probably come out different also, because the magnet part of it will actually come out in the Hero stick, in the invisible stick version. So this is still good because I could pretty much just attach this back and put it back in the stand and pretty much tuck away. But oh my, how time goes by. We're gonna cut it short here. Today's the 28th. I believe it's the last day of the month. And y'all have a good Sunday, because today is Sunday. Y'all have a good, safe Sunday. maintain your social distancing, and stay well and alive and help each other out. Go to the Christian church of your choice and maintain God in your mind all the time. You all have a good Sunday, and God bless all of you. Not just here in the United States, but all over the world.